Welcome to Timberline Meadows, where you will find 3015 Springdale Way. Welcome to 3015 Springdale Way, where Alice Drive Middle and Millwood Elementary is hosted with this beautiful Timberline home. It has an open floor plan with a large kitchen with an island, stainless appliances, and a huge breakfast room. There is a formal dining room, foyer, and great room with a tray ceiling and gas fireplace. This split 4-bedrooms home has a bonus room with a full bath. 2 bedrooms share a deluxe Jack and Jill bath. The master has 2 walk-in closets and a deluxe bath. Enjoy a large screen porch, deck, sprinklers, well, and side entrance garage. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering this beautiful home. It has hardwood floors and measures 12 feet by 7 feet 9 inches. The dining room is located to the left of the foyer upon entering the home. It has hardwood floors and measures 13 feet by 10 feet 8 inches. The great room has a tray ceiling with recessed lighting and a ceiling fan, a gas log fireplace, carpet, and measures 18 feet 10 inches by 18 feet 4. The eat-in area of the kitchen has tile floors and measures 11 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 5. The large kitchen has an island, stainless appliances, tile floors, a huge breakfast area, and measures 12 feet 8 inches by 11 feet 11. The kitchen has an island and a stainless fan system. This view of the kitchen is from the master bedroom, making this a split bedroom floor plan. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling with recessed lighting and a ceiling fan, 2 walk-in closets, a deluxe master bath, carpet, and measures 20 feet by 14 feet. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and a deluxe master bath. The master walk-in closet on the right side measures 5 feet 11 inches by 5 feet 11. The master walk-in closet on the left side measures 6 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 11. The deluxe master bath has its and her vanities, tile floors, a large corner tub, a separate shower, a private toilet room, and measures 16 feet by 10 feet 8 inches. The kitchen has solid surface counters, stainless appliances, a breakfast area, a raised bar on the island, and is open to the great room.